Pony code. Use the code to help Sparkleworks. Spell the words below.
Okay, don't get too close.
Happy birthday, Maggie.
Abby, say something.
She's coming. Hello, everybody. On my mother's birthday, we're very sneaky to get her presents ready before she comes. So this is my mother's birthday crown, and this is her cake. I just needed the candles, and then you would take a picture. This is my sister, Clayla. We're doing a balloon, and I think she's gonna pop soon. And here she comes! Come on, get the candles ready.